Hello everyone, so today I'm showing you how I made my paper bag pants. So let's get started. So for that I took my old pants and just traced it on a piece of paper. So for tracing, first I folded my pants on back side and added 2.5 inches to the width so that it can look a little baggy. I didn't add the belt with the drafting of the leg. I will do that separately. Now I folded my pants on front side. I'll do the same as I did to the back. I'll add a little extra to this side too. So after finishing tracing both legs, front and back, I cut it out. So after cutting this pattern out, I put it on top of a 4-layer piece of cloth. I have already folded it and pinned it up. So these are 4 layers, and I will trace my back side of the pants on it first, and then I will cut it out. So first 2 layers will be the back side of the pants, and after cutting that out, I'll draft my front side of the pants and will cut that out. So after that, put that on top of each other, back side and back side, and front side and front side, and sew the crotch area, and then put that both on top of each other and sew the side seams. And after that, sew the inseam matching the crotch seams, and then run a stitch. After that, measure the waist, and whatever the measurement comes, cut your belt according to that. So take the width of the belt. If you like, take the width according to your old pants. So I measured my old pants, and that's about 1, 3, or 4. So I will cut a belt according to this measurement, and will sew the side of the belt. So this belt is about 4 inches wide, and then I took another piece of cloth which is about 15 inches or maybe 20 inches extra than the actual belt. Unfold, because we have to make this knot in it. For that I cut it diagonally from the side. You can make it a single layer or just fold that belt in half, double it, and then cut it diagonally. And then you need some extra small pieces for the strips for the belt. So first I took elastic for according to my waist, and then I sewed both ends. Now I'm sewing the belt, the side of the belt, and I will encase the elastic inside the belt. So this belt you can make it 2 ways. One is this one. Just simply encase the elastic and run a stitch along the elastic, and another is the elastic will go in the middle and you will have a frill on top. And so these paper bags can be of these 2 different ways. So I made the one you can see here. I just run a stitch along the elastic, and now I'm making the strips for the to hold the belt. So you can see how I'm making it. Fold both sides about ½ inches, and then fold it again, so you will have these strips, and attach that the way you can see. So you would need 5 strips for that, 2 for the front and 3 for the back. So attach that to the edge of the pants like you can see here, and then attach the belt to your waist. So the strips will be kind of sandwiched in the middle. So I'm cutting off the extra length because my strips are a little longer than I needed. And here you can see how I sewed it. So I'm sandwiching the strips in the middle and arranging the pants and arranging the belt on top. So this is how I did all the strips. So this is how it should look. And look at the length of the strips. It's about ½ inch extra than the belt. So now fold the strip like this and attach it to the top of the belt. So after putting the belt through. Make a nice bow tie there. And now it's time to measure your pants length. So whatever extra is, fold it inside and hem your pants. So I'm measuring here. So whatever extra is, I folded it already inside. Iron it and run a stitch on top. So I double folded the bottom, and this is how I made my paper bag pants. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe to stay connected.